Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2015 Nissan Rogue. Now the exterior colors are gray, and under the hood we have a 2.5 liter inline-4 engine. And as we look at the front, we have our halogen high and low beam headlamps, as well as our daytime running lights with our engine block heater connection. Over at the side, we have our 17-inch wheels wrapped in our Pirelli tires, as well as we have our color match mirror caps and chrome door handles. We also have our roof rails on top. At the rear, we have our Rogue, pure drive, and all-wheel drive badging, as well as we have a reverse camera, and at our rear window, we have an embedded defroster with our wiper blade attached. At our interior, we have tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as power windows, power locks, as well as power adjustable mirrors, as well as our mirrors are also heated. Over at our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, as well as we have our hand-free controls, as well as we have our cruise control settings on the right. And as we look up, we have our rear view mirror, as well as we have our cabin lights and another cabin light in the rear. And as we look at our interior, we have a beautiful cloth seating, which comes with a manual adjustable seat for both driver and passenger. And as we look ahead, you'll notice we have 159,099 kilometers. And as we look at our CD receiver, you'll notice we have AM and FM, as well as Sirius XM and media controls, as well as a CD insert. And down below we have our climate control area, which includes for air conditioning and heating throughout the entire cabin. And then just underneath we have a USB port, as well as aux in and a 12-volt adapter. And as we look at our center console, we have our console shift lever, as well as we have our dual cup holders with cubby-hole storage and a center console for extra storage underneath. As we get to the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage, as well as power windows and more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of our center console, we have a ventilation system, and with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we have loads of legroom and tons of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. And we can also fold down our centerpiece for dual cup holders. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Nissan Rogue, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.